Alright guys, so today we'll be not doing any new problems and we'll be solving these two questions. I have already solved it yesterday and day before yesterday, but today we'll be revising these two questions related to buy and sell stocks because they are like based on the pattern questions. So I'll be solving it one by one. Okay, let's jump into the problem. So what problem says you are given a an array prices. So prices is the int array parameter where price I is the price of a given stock on the ith day. You want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in the future to sell that stock. Return the maximum profit you can achieve from transaction. If you cannot achieve any profit, return 0. Okay. So what it is given, like if you are buying at the lowest price, suppose you buy it at the price of 1 and you sell it on the price at the price of 6. So the difference will be 6 minus 1 5, and that is the maximum. But you cannot buy in the future and sell in past, so that is not allowed. For that, this condition is won't be the answer. So similarly here you can see decreasing order. For that nothing can be profitable, so its output as answer. Okay, let's try to solve it. So what I will do, I will take first int n is equal to prices dot length, then profit is equal to 0. If you are not doing anything, so always will be first time profit will be 0, and int min I will be taking prices 0. So I'll be storing first the 0th index, because on the 0th day we can only buy before and sell. So means we, after buying only we can sell, but we can't sell without buying it on the 0th day. So I have stored it in mini. Now I will traverse with a for loop int I is equal to 1, I less than n, I plus plus. Okay, so now what we'll do, we'll find the profit equal to math dot profit profit with prices I minus mini. But before that only we need to calculate the min is equal to math dot min okay. At the end we will return profit. Alright, you can see it's accepted. All the example test cases are passing, so we'll try to submit it. All right, it got accepted as well, beating 77.44% of the Java user. Okay. So why this question is called DP? Because we are storing the first element of the array, and according to that we are traversing and uh, going one by one and storing this minimum value of this for buying, and later stage we are extracting the profit and we are storing that value in the one of the profit variable, and we are at the end we are returning that. So for that reason little bit of dp is used here. Okay, so similarly another question variant 2 is there, and we'll try to solve this. So the question says like you are given an integer array prices where prices I is the prices of a given stock on the ith day. On each day you may decide to buy and or sell the stock. You can only hold at most once. Share the stock at any time. However, you can buy it then immediately sell it on the same day, and the return the maximum profit you can achieve. Okay, the question says like you can buy at the day and you can sell on the next day or in the future day, but before buying you can't sell in the past day, and once you buy and you sell it next day, after that also after selling you are again eligible for buying again these stocks. So for this example prices array, once I am buying at the price of 1 and I am selling at price of 5, so I am consuming like getting profit of 4 rupees, and once I'm selling it in the price of 5, then I'm not holding any stocks right now, so I'm like again eligible for buying. So I'll be buying at the price of 3 and selling at the price of 6, so again I'm getting a profit of 3, so total will be 7. So similarly here also, once I'm buying here at the price of 1 and selling here by price of 5, so I'm getting 4, so that is the maximum I'm getting. And you can argue like why I'm buying here and 3. So if I'll buy here 2 and sell it 3, so I'll get profit 1 and 3 and 4, so at most getting profit 2, but here I can get profit 4, so this is the answer. We should get output 4. So this is the based on the same pattern, and in interview maybe they will be asking you that easy question first, like buy and sell stock, uh, sell stock, this easy level question first. Once you quickly solve that, then they will be giving this little bit of medium level question. So we'll try to solve this. So here is like little bit of dynamic programming knowledge is required to solve this question. So I'll be using memorization for this. Okay, let's start coding for it. So I will take intn is equal to prices dot length. First I will extract the length. Next I will take one 2D array. Next I will create one helper function, and I will be passing here the same prices. Next I will be passing here index by value, then the length of the array, then this 2D DP array. This all these parameters we require. So for that I will be creating one method, helper method public, and the return type will be int helper int prices. Okay, int index, ind means index, int n is the length of the array, and at the end integer dp. Prices will be prices. At the first go, index will be starting from 0 and the buy 1 because will be eligible for buying, and n will be the length and dp will be the 2d array. So base case, we need to write the base case first. Base case will be whenever the index is equal to the length, that means n, that means we traversed all these indexes and we exhausted the array, will return 0. And next dp of index by not equal to null, return okay. Next will be some condition. If by equal to 1, then okay. Before that we need to store profit in a variable. Profit is equal to math.max. We'll be always storing math.max minus prices at the first index plus helper, and here we'll be passing the parameter prices and index plus 1 as we are incrementing the, and here if we have buyed the and buy at the index, so for that here again buying we are not eligible, so I'll make it 0, and all the other parameter I'll pass as it is. And next, if you are not buying, so there will be value will be 0, and I'll be calling the same helper function. Inside that prices same array and index plus 1, and here we are again eligible for buy. Alright, next in else condition we're dealing with the cell math.max 0 plus glpr helper prices prices index plus 1. Here we didn't sell anything, that means till we are not selling we are not allowed to buy, so here will be 0 and n dp. Next, prices will be here helper once we are selling it we are eligible for buy again. Okay, at the rate at the last will be returning profit. Let's run it. Hopefully it should work. All right, you can see all the test cases are passed, sample test cases. Let's submit. All right, all the test cases are passed, but this is not the next more optimized way is tabulation in dynamic programming. So we'll try in a future video sometimes. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you.